Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today we'll show you how to hide message button on Facebook. If you want to keep your account private and you do not want unnecessary messages from strangers, you can simply do so by opening the Messenger application first on your phone, and you should make sure that you have the latest update. So first, once you open the Messenger application, you should go and click on the menu section. Once you go to menu, click on settings, and after settings, you should scroll down till you get here to privacy and safety. Then you should go here to this section, which is called Who Can Reach You. And now I want you to choose Message Delivery. And now here you have the full customization. You can customize it by making only the people with your phone number has the message button, or you can simply leave only the people that are friends with you on Facebook, or people in your Facebook group, or even people on the pages you follow. So here you have the different options. You can simply click on any one of them, then choose between chats, message requests, and do not receive requests. If you want to hide the button completely, you should go on each section and choose do not receive requests and toggle this option in all of your chats sections right here. So here I will choose do not receive requests, and you should apply the same option for all. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.